Hello everyone, my name is Raj and in this presentation we are going to understand business etiquettes. So let's get started. Before moving to business etiquettes, we must first understand what exactly etiquette means. To put it in simple terms, etiquette is a set of predefined code for the behavior of an individual expected by the society, or it is how others expect us to be in social interactions. These requirements, depending upon the place and scenario where they are set in, may vary. Now, moving to business etiquettes. As the name suggests, it mainly pertains to professional environment. Business etiquette is the code that governs the expectation of social behavior in a workplace. There isn't any standard work etiquette, but every place has certain norms which one should follow. Business etiquettes can be broadly classified into the following types as shown in the slide. In order to be successful and effective at work, it is vital for every individual to follow these etiquettes. Email is the most extensively used communication tool in the professional world. Considering its variety, email etiquettes play a crucial role in productive communication. They also provide various advantages to the people. While composing a mail, there are certain etiquettes which one should follow. The email should be concise and up to the point, avoiding anything unnecessary. The words should be appropriate with the context of the subject. If used in a right way, email can prove to be very beneficial. Nothing can replace the good old telephones for interacting in real time. There are particular etiquettes which are expected to be followed by everyone during telephonic communication. Now let us further dive into it. Politeness always helps you and takes you a long way ahead. While interacting on a call, one should keep the conversation short and use relevant language and tone. It is equally important to listen what other individual is saying and respond accordingly. Meetings are an important part of the corporate culture. For the meeting to be productive and smooth, the participants should follow the meeting etiquettes. The meeting can either prove to be very productive or simply a waste of time. All of it depends upon the participants. Coming prepared to the meeting is the most vital aspect. It is ideal to avoid any type of interruption during a session. Dressing according to the environment and occasion is a major part of business etiquette. It has a great impact on others and reflects a lot about you. Work environment generally have a formal dress code. The only thing one should emphasize is that whatever clothes they wear, it should be neat and clean. It should not be flashy and it should be just subtle. Thank you everyone for listening.